Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing this Sunday? I hope you're all doing very well. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus package update. Democratic lawmakers are trying to figure out how a fourth stimulus payment could be included in the new massive spending package. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. Each month, millions of workers pay part of their earnings to the Social Security Administration. The logic being that in retirement, most people would depend on Social Security benefits. In 2019, the Social Security Administration paid benefits to as many as 180 million people each month, the majority of whom were senior citizens. In January 2021, the average monthly Social Security payment was valued at $1,534. To supplement incomes, many workers have private retirement accounts, like an IRA, which they also make contributions to throughout their careers. However, only around 56% of workers have access to these accounts, leaving some retirees fully dependent on benefits from the Social Security Administration. Back in 1973, to ensure these benefits are able to increase with inflation, Congress mandated that cost of living adjustments be determined and applied to payments for the following year. Those on a fixed income are especially susceptible to inflation, as they really have no control over their income. Additionally, those receiving benefits cannot work, meaning if they experience a decrease in disposable income due to an increase in prices driven by inflation, they are left with few options. In 2020, the Social Security Administration determined a COLA of 1.3%, which as prices have risen quickly during the year and have left many seniors with budget shortfalls. Some organizations estimate that the increase for 2022 could be more than 4 times that seen in 2021. The Senior Citizens League, an organization that advocates for the rights of senior citizens, released a new projection for the 2022 COLA that has forecasted an increase between 6 and 6.1%.
All year long, Senate Democrats have committed to passing legislation to protect the most sacrosanct right in our democracy, the right to vote. On 2 occasions, Senate Democrats voted unanimously to begin debate in the Senate on this critical issue. And both times, Republicans formed a wall of total opposition against any progress on voting rights in the United States Senate. But Republicans' refusal to work with us is no excuse for not getting something done. So later today, my colleague Senator Klobuchar, along with Senators Kaine, King, Manchin, Merkley, Padilla, Tester, and Warnock, will be introducing the Freedom to Vote Act, a compromise voting rights bill that I intend to schedule a vote on in the very near future. To piece this bill together, I'm proud to have convened and worked with 8 members of my caucus, 4 progressives and 4 moderates, in bringing this bill to fruition. The compromise proposal contains many of the important provisions of previous voting rights bills championed by Senate Democrats, particularly by my colleague Senator Merkley. It will protect the right to vote, put a stop to partisan gerrymandering, and the scourge of dark money in our politics. Critically, the legislation also incorporates important feedback from election officials and includes new measures to promote greater voter confidence in our elections while stopping partisan election subversion. This is a good proposal, one that nobody in this chamber should oppose. My colleague, Senator Manchin, is working with Republicans to secure.
Mary Johnson, a Social Security policy analyst for the Senior Citizens League, has just said in a statement that their forecast is based on cost price index data through the month of August, and there is still 1 more month of consumer price data to come in before they can get the official announcement. Over the past decade, the Senior Citizens League reported that COLA does not come close to keeping up with their actual cost increases. This year, as prices for goods have surged, those on a fixed income like SSI recipients suffered greatly to cover basic costs. So everyone, do you agree with me that Social Security benefits should be increased? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. In April of 2021, the Congressional Research Service released a report titled Poverty Among the Population Aged 65 and Older. That report in 2019 showed 8.4% of seniors were living in poverty. The primary motivation for the creation of Social Security benefits was to help seniors stay out of poverty. And after working for decades, it has become a shared value within American society that the elderly should not live in poverty. Social Security benefits are often attributed to decreases in poverty among seniors. However, this is not entirely true. The week before federal unemployment programs ended, more than 9.3 million people just claimed benefits. With the ending of these programs came news that 35% of respondents to a survey conducted by the U.S. Census Bureau in late August said that they were very behind on their rent and mortgage payments. While not a huge jump from rates recorded at other points in the crisis, they are alarming to many housing justice activists, as a federal eviction moratorium has been lifted across our nation. Additionally, the ending of federal benefits came just days after the Department of Labor reported the slowest job growth in recent months. To many, the new job numbers are a clear sign that the economic disruptions caused by this crisis are very far from over. With incomes in many households plummeting after benefits ended, many wonder what actions Congress plans to take to reinstate these programs. Everyone, the key word for this video is sweater. If you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this coming Friday, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and remember to comment below the keyword. Progressive Democrats, including Representatives Cori Bush and Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, are pushing a new bill to reinstate federal benefits with retroactive coverage. Before these programs had ended, Representative Ocasio-Cortez and others had proposed legislation to extend the programs, but then they were persuaded to drop the effort. President Biden had made it clear to House leadership, including Chairman Neal of the House Ways and Means Committee, that he wanted to see if there was clear evidence that an extension was needed. However, the administration has opted to offer states the suggestion of using funds from the American Rescue Plan to cover the federal gap. The policy proposal has one major problem. Many states have already allocated funds from the trillion-dollar stimulus bill. When state legislatures pass laws that earmark the funds for certain programs and agencies, they did not account for the fact that they might be on the hook to cover the costs when federal programs lapsed. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here this afternoon. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very, very blessed Sunday.